everyone, welcome back. Let's move to the further business part from the top left corner. We have documents, those green areas. Now from the business objective, we see there's a link to the business capability, and the capability definitely can include itself. So that makes it the hierarchical. So that is we continue use this supersedes and let's examine what's the objective to capabilities relationship. So let's do this check. So this is the 3.5 is the if I see the business objective and look at here to find out business capability. So when I come to here, I found this one. So supporting capability. Supporting capability is a kind of the reactive way. So that means is our business capability can support business objective. Let's look at the inverse slot. So the inverse slot mentioned is from the supporting business capability is means they have the business objective for this business capability. So I may use this supports and business from the business capability to the business objective, and then business objective is supported by the business capability. So that is the two relationship. And then when we come to the business capability, let's close the application layer for now. So we can see business capability, we can reuse this supersedes part. So sometimes you may use this parents of or child of, but we use this supersede and superseded by. So that is the similar things. So come to the business capability. So let's look at this our relationship is supported, superseded, so supported. So we have this one and the supports, we use this. So then capability, we don't have the instance business capability. And we have the objective so already. So from the business capability, I will use that. Oh, so when this automatically is switch is just a switch back. Sometimes it's just ensure your property assertion is only go to your the needed the element. So otherwise you will get some strange things. If I go to business objective, so that is also fine. So is supported. I see. So is supported by business capability. So we can also based on that, because you can build from any direction and from the another direction, although it's not asserted, but if when you run, this reasoner synchronization is coming to here. So that is the way, so we will put that. I'm not going to make those into the assertion list now, but once we have enough modeling, so we can do that in certain the snapshot model, then you will see more the assertion, the relationship. So that is our latest the MetaModel RDF. So let's go to our this model. So we have our business capability. So come to our arrow. So do I have the nodes? So I have this one. So is this a way that they can show me the list of the element? I don't think so. So objective, principal, driver. So I don't have a node like a business capability. So I will put that here. Google Drive, store it, but needs your authorize. I already authorized. So that, let me authorize again. So business capability. And the label you can choose here. So I just put on the this business conceptual. So no need to do so much. And then from the objective. So that is here. And business capability is supports. So type, I think is the we have supports. Why there's no drop-down list? So it's better that I can choose that, but looks like no. And then from here we also have back. Oh, so this should not. Click your source, come to the destination, and then is supported by. Whenever we have a mode reusable, then that will be perfect for making your graph database or the meta model is the have more and more is the standardized. So come to our spreadsheet. So here, so if I go to this one, so we do this one by one. So ontology, oh no, is the graph input. That is our Excel, so it's good. And now we have many things so we can keep the adding. So I will put this as a table. So because this is my Excel, so that can support the more kinds of this format. And I put this view because gradually that will be view, so freezing the more than one screens. So I may have the business objective. So also is supported by, so that is good. And now I have first is I create business capability. That also the conceptual, and you can see what we are doing supports. So then we do these two directions. And we also have this supersede. So I will make this here and the supersedes. So that is the same as you have is superseded by. So that let's put C. So we will have that one as well. So let's go to our Ontology, adding that. So not here. And business capability. Yeah, so let's create supersedes. Oh, with the business capability. And when we run that, is that we have this automatically supported by. Oh, so I have done wrong. So undo. So Control R. And then here, let's run that. Stop, start. So I create wrong. So supersede. That is one. Business cap. So this is the supports. Now Control R, you will get is superseded. So it's similar. So then from here, so I may get this is my capability. So double click with itself. Oh, so how I can make that link to, yeah. So proceed. And then from here also is that is our current model now. So you may see here, so business driver, so make that higher. That is the application layer. We have this now. So all those are the business layer. So we may have those. And then we have this Excel. So ensure that is Excel, and let's save that to CSV. So we expand the two relationships now. So good. I may close that. And this one is I can still run this. So just run again. I will get a new node is the business capability, create four relation. So let's run this one, match this one. I don't need that. So this I don't need this as well. So match. So I think it's the match. You can use this. Oh, M2 R2 N and just return MRN. So that is like our any. Oh, but that is the strange things is what's the issues. So I got this is the business objective. Why I have our duplicate one. So that is the updated. Let's check is our Excel file. Possible is have some wrong things. Business objective supported by objective, business conceptual. That should not be the one is capability. Let's look at business driver principle. And also here is suppose here. If I run that again, then it's as I create more things. No, so it's the match n, detach, delete n. So let's clear our model. Then I run this again. So what's the so why that will be let me run second time. No, so it's the strangest possible there's some conflict, but now is you can use this detach, delete, then make this your graph is cleaning, and this one I think is not have an issue, so I may keep using that. What I have added is this business capability, and we have this suppose business objective is supported by the business capability. So I also have the created and updated to this relationship as well. So with that is let's go to our this version. So after this one is our current meta model is cover this and this. Next one is the let's finish this part is the business capability have some relationship with the principal, and the capabilities have interesting is the skill side needed that is coming to the human part, which we don't have too much use this, but let's look at these two relationship next video. Bye for now.